Hede ya mahoya magi bururi omuthe na President Uhuru Kenyatta atongoria wa kiuteti guku bururi-ini kuhoya muhera. President Uhuru Kenyatta agita munini wake William Ruto na atongoria a Nasa Raila Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka kuherana king'ang'a-ini.
He accused me of having insulted him. I also told him he also insulted me. He called me Kimundu Muguruki.
I ask for your forgiveness.
I apologize.
I want to ask for your forgiveness.
Atongoria makiranira kuhunjia ndumiriri ino ya kuhera na Uiguano guothe bururi-ini mieri minini tu thutha wa githurano kiria kiriga kugayukania bururi.
Let us go around together and deal with the issues that make our lives of our people less decent.
Mandela could shake hands with de Klerk. What is wrong in Raila Odinga shaking hands with Uhuru Kenyatta?
God has a way of enriching the wisdom of our leadership to put aside the things that divide us.
Ikinya riukite riri ndudu ya mwanya kurehe uiguithanio cabithitio ngatheti-ini ya thirikari munene wa uruti wira wa muigi Joseph Kinyua. Ndudu ino iratongorio ni wakiri Paul Mwangi na ambassador Martin Kimanire na mieri 12 kuruta mendekithia ma makinya maria magiriru ni kuoyo nigetha kurehe uiguano bururi-ini. Ndudu ino ya memba 14 igukorwo na wigiririku wa guthurima maria makoretwo makirehe mugayukano guku bururi-ini na kuruta mendekithia ma ria ngayukano ino ingeninwo. Atongoria a kiuteti makiranira kurutira kwa kuiguithania bururi.
We need to bring this country together to see those successes multiplied tenfold.
But we are confident that ultimately the Kenyan spirit will prevail.
People are still hurting out there. So let's reach them with this message. Remove all the cobwebs in our own minds and all the roadblocks.
President Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga ni meriga kugeithania makirania kwambika mihango ya guthiruruka guothe bururi-ini kuhunjia thayo. Eria ningi makihoerwo mari hamwe muthe uyu wa mahoya magi bururi.
God and the people of Kenya expect no less from us.
Today we are moving from the handshake to the hug.
Mahoya maya magwikinyitio ni nginyagia President wa Somalia Mohamed Farmajo. Mahoya maki bururi ma mwaka uyu makirehe atongoria a kiuteti kuma miaho yothe ya kiuteti guku bururi-ini. Aria atongoria areru a Kenya makwerekeria maitho ma kurio kuona kana ni makuhingia ciiraniro ciao kuri a Kenya. Grifotera Inooro TV ri toroko ni Macharia wa Gachuru.